welcome back to Keto Homestead with Jess. Today I wanted to put out a short video. I want to help our community, our friends, and our family to educate them and help everybody put some educational books on the shelf. So I am going to go ahead and start off, and my first book is my Bible. I always have to have my Bible. It's the Word of God. My second book is Homesteading: How to Find New Independence on the Land by Jean Lodson. This book was written in 1973 and it has so much information in it. The writer is originally from Ohio and he just writes a description about how he started organic gardening and farming, and he gives all kinds of tips and tricks how to amend the soil, how to grow food, how to raise animals, and also if there's any issues or health problems with the animals, how to treat them with that. This is the first homesteading book that I've ever got my hands on. It was my mother and father-in-law's, so it means a lot to me, and this is really the core of how I began homesteading. The next book is a book that I'm currently reading. It's called Jude's Herbal Home Remedies, and she just lists herbs and remedies and how to use them and treat elements that are going on. So these are the three books that I want to share with all of you. Hopefully you find them useful and you can put them in your home library. I want to go ahead and challenge three of my friends. The first is Sarah over at the Big Blue House Homestead, Mark from Rolling Homestead Wild Edibles in Wisconsin, and Ghost Prepper. I challenge you three to put out a book challenge. Let us know what you're currently reading or what you have read to inspire you, and let's help educate our viewers, family, and friends. I ask that you challenge 2 or 3 people that you know here on YouTube to put out a book challenge as well. Please let everybody know you are part of the Keto Homestead with Jess book challenge, and I hope that you have a good day. Thank you for following along with Keto Homestead with Jess, and I will see you soon.